Hi there, I'm David from atkloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new table using the data modeler in the atkloud platform. Well, we can open the data modeler by clicking on the menu option, and we can see the tables that are already linked in the system, in the current application. atkloud can manage tables in MySQL, Postgres, SQL Server, and Oracle. Those are the four great database management systems. Uh, atkloud can link existing tables in these databases and can also create new structures, new tables, or modify the existing ones. So, for instance, we can right-click on this canvas and click on Add, and then we can specify the name of the table and the columns of the table. Table. And create different tables in different connections in the same application. So you can mix data in MySQL or in Oracle, for instance, at the same time. And we can select the schema Tainuk. This is the sample schema that I have. We can add the columns. And for instance, an ID column is open and quick, SPK, and ID. Okay, and a second column is type text, and okay, and can be null. It's nullable. Okay, when I click on create table, the DDL statement will be sent to the DBMS, the management system, the database management system, and the table will be actually created. So the table has been created in the database and now is linked into the data model of this application. So we can start using this table. If we go to the Data Explorer, we see the table here, and we can create new information. And create new rows. You can update the rows. And delete the rows too. And this is a SQL table, but it has been created using the data modeler. We can also change an existing table. We double click on the table object. We can add new columns. For instance, we can add a new column. And when we click on apply changes, the alter table will be sent to the database and the table will be modified. We can also index columns in the table. It can also create foreign keys and integrity referential constraints. So we apply the changes, and now the table has three fields: a new field called date, and we can also see this new field, and we can insert information on this field because it exists in the database. The data modeler also allows us to drop a table. You have to be very careful when you operate the data modeler because the table will be actually dropped from the database management system. So drop table will drop the table, and all the data will be lost. Okay, that was a brief introduction to the data modeler and the things that you can do using it. Thank you for watching.